Hello, Mr. Savant. This is the Poreba we talked about. The model, it says TPK 90A/5M. It was born a 5 meter, but actually it's only 3.3 meter because some of the sections at the back were taken off. So be sure not to think it's a 5 meter. It's only 3.3 meters. You asked about the bedways. They're looking good. Also, the technician who tested the machine said the gearbox sounded as if it was new, so it's in really good condition. Small and big steady rest, cover for the self-centering truck, 2 pallets of equipment, independent chuck, and this big, what do you call it in English, facing plate. And then there's this cover with the lights that covers all of the machine.